the kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're gonna make zucchini muffins with candied ginger. I love these muffins, and they were a fan favorite at the restaurant, so I'm gonna make it today for one of my students who said he's never had zucchini before. We need all-purpose flour, sugar. I'm using this beautiful kosher sea salt. Table salt is fine. Baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, golden raisins, lemon zest to give this a bit of brightness, our light brown sugar, butter, eggs, and of course our zucchini, which we need to grate. So let me get everything mise en place and I will show you how to make it. Please click like and subscribe so we can bring you more recipes. I have all my mise en place together, and now we're gonna start making it. As you can see, our butter is nice and soft. We've already been able to squish it, so we're gonna get it in our machine and paddle it on low speed until it's nice and smooth. While that's mixing, we're gonna add together our dry ingredients. So this is 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 2 1/4 teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 1/2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. And we're just gonna stir this together. While that's mixing, what I like to do with the sugar is smush in our lemon zest. So this is 3/4 of a teaspoon of lemon zest. And I'm gonna add in our 2 1/4 teaspoons of candied ginger I finely minced. And what I like to do is squish it up, just like this, smush it up in the sugar, so that way you don't get this clump of lemon zest in your final product. So we wanna smush this up, and then we'll add it into our butter. And I'm scraping down the sides of the bowl and the paddle attachment before I add in our sugar with the lemon zest and candied ginger. And again, we're gonna mix this on low speed until it's incorporated. Before we add in our brown sugar, we scrape down the sides of the bowl and the paddle attachment again, and now add in our brown sugar. And again, continue to mix on low speed to make sure everything is completely incorporated before we add any other ingredients. Once that is combined, we're gonna add in our eggs one at a time. And I always find it's easy to do it from a liquid measuring cup because of the little spout on it. So make sure you incorporate this completely. And you can see there's no egg left, where it's all completely incorporated. Now we're gonna add the second egg, and again, you wanna mix that until combined on low speed. And now we're gonna add in our 1/2 cup of canola oil. Now that we have a nice smooth batter and it smells really good with all of the lemon and candied ginger, we're gonna add in our dry ingredients. Before all the flour has been incorporated, we're now gonna add in our shredded 1 1/2 pounds of zucchini, or 5 cups. Let's get that all in there. Rehydrate your raisins by covering them with water, putting them in the microwave and microwaving for 2 minutes, and then straining them and let them dry. Before you've incorporated all of the zucchini, we're gonna add in our golden raisins and mix them on low speed. Mix the batter until just combined, and then we're gonna put them into our muffin pans. I'm spraying this with nonstick cooking spray, and I'm gonna use a ice cream scoop to portion it, and we wanna fill it up 3/4 of the way, and then we're gonna put it into our oven. Bake it in a 375-degree oven for 16 to 18 minutes, and the way you can tell it's done is if you touch the top and it springs back. It springs back from the touch, they are done. This is so delicious. I can't wait for you to try it. I hope it inspires you to make it at home. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out all of our videos on our YouTube channel. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel, and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.